Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal and today I am going to do a review and demo of some lippies from the brand Miss Rose. Before I purchased these products, I went to Aliexpress.com and I was just really curious about who's really interested in these lippies, and this is just so famous in Europe. A lot of girls from Europe are really a fan of Miss Rose makeup products.
So here I am going to Aliexpress.com and I just want to show you guys the link where you can buy this or the name of the product on AliExpress. So here I'm typing Miss Rose matte lipstick and I just wonder how many sellers are there, and as you can see, some sellers have only 31 orders of this particular lipstick, and I'm just gonna look for the one that has like the top sales. So as you can see, this one 17,927 orders. Wow. And that is coming from all over the world. And so as you can see, this is the lipstick that I'm going to be reviewing today, and I'm just going to be showing you guys the feedbacks from customers. So here you can see feedbacks 17,928, and then that's like a lot. And then here you can see all the comments, how many stars they gave. So as you can see, this girl ordered from Turkey, and then as you can see, Russia, a lot of girls from Russia ordered this particular lipstick. And as you can see, more. And then as you can see, this is just well loved by many girls from all over the world. And so I'm just going to be showing you guys how to look at the feedback, so you can also check out other Miss Rose products. And right here you can also check the feedbacks with only pictures, here with pictures and comments. So if you want to skip the feedbacks without photos, you can click on this and then you'll see all the feedbacks with photos in it. So for me, I like looking at swatches. Some customers post their swatches and like when they are wearing the lipstick. So yeah, it's just very helpful when you're shopping.
This is just called matte. It's not like a MAC lipstick that has a particular name like a MAC cream sheen lipstick or a MAC retro matte lipstick. It's just called Miss Rose matte. I have 7 shades right here, so I'm going to show you guys all the shades on my lips. What I like about Miss Rose products is that with their packaging, they make it easy for you to find the product. So as you can see here, the box and the lipstick is exactly the same color, as well as the lipstick tube and the actual lipstick. As you can see, that is just one color. So if you are going to put this in your makeup table, it's going to be easy for you to find these lipsticks. So the first shade that I'm going to be testing out is called Hannah. This is the shade called Hannah, and I really like this shade. This might not be perfect for my makeup look right now because my makeup today is super simple. So this is going to be perfect if I'm going to wear a very smoky eye makeup look. But this glides on my lips like butter. It's so soft. It's very creamy. It's not drying. It's called matte, but it's not drying at all. I really like this formula. It's the same with their first matte lipstick that I tried before. The next shade that I have is 52 Americano, and this is just a brownish brick red color. This is the shade Americano, and it's actually very wearable. I thought it's gonna be dark for me, but now that I'm wearing it, I actually really like it. It's a darker version of the My Lips But Better color. I'm definitely a fan of this color, and the other few shades that I'm going to show you guys is very similar to this, probably a tad bit lighter, but this one is a very beautiful shade as well. The next shade I have 33 Orchid. Oh my gosh, So far, this is the creamiest. It felt so soft. I don't know, like the texture of this is super creamy. Number 33 Orchid is just the creamiest that I've tried. Oh my gosh, I really love the formula of this one. This one feels so moisturizing, and as you can see, it's super pigmented. Just one go, it's able to cover my entire lips. I just really like the formula of this. Plus, the shade is just the perfect nude shade for me. It's like a pinkish nude, and I'm not a big fan of pinkish nudes, but this one is just a very muted pink. It doesn't dry out your lips, so you get the best of both worlds. We have 48 Beeper. This is a peachy mauve pink color. So most of the shades that I got are mauve with a peachy tint, with a pink tint, but most of them are just like very muted colors because I was looking for everyday colors that doesn't look right. So I'm gonna test this out on my lips right now. Is the shade Beeper, not as creamy as the last shade, but still a very beautiful pink color. This will really look perfect with a sparkly silver makeup look that is smoky. I like this color as well. We have 56 Kiss Me Stupid. So this is a rose color. Color reminds me a lot of MAC Whirl lipstick, so it's definitely a My Lips But Better shade. Definitely perfect for everyday if you're going to school, going to work. This is just one of those easy to wear colors because it's just perfect for absolutely any makeup look, because like I said, it's almost the same color as your lips. It's just the perfect everyday color. This is one of the more matte formulas out of all. So some are creamy, some are slightly creamy. This is one of the matte formulas. But as you can see, it still has a little bit of sheen. It still has a little bit of moisture. It's not completely matte, like flat matte. But I really like it because I really don't like it when lipsticks are matte but then they're so drying as well. But this one is not drying at all. If you just pat it with tissue like that, you will be able to get the extra shine that you have there. That is the shade Kiss Me Stupid. Okay, so next we have 46 Love Bug. Okay, so next we have 46 Love Bug, and this is probably one of my favorite shades. Actually, they're all my favorite. This is 46 Love Bug, and as you can see, it's a very beautiful orangey brown shade, and definitely wear this for summertime. This is perfect for summertime if you are wearing like a bronzy makeup. Oh my gosh, that will look so perfect with the golden highlighter. Definitely gonna wear that with this shade. But definitely not the least, we have 50 Loved. Just a brick color with like a little bit of red undertone, like a peachy red undertone. Okay, so this is the shade 50 Loved, and I really like this shade. For this particular shade, I would wear this, like I would just dab this on my lips and just apply a very sheer layer, or I'll do the ombre lip with this one because another everyday shade. I think it's perfect to wear this for an evening makeup. So if I'm gonna wear this for daytime, I would sheer this out and dab a little bit on my lips and then spread it with my finger. But if I'm gonna wear this for evening look, I'm definitely gonna apply like one full layer on my lips. So tell you guys my final thoughts about these lipsticks. So First of all, I think they are amazing. I really like the texture of the lipsticks. They are very creamy. Some of them are slightly more creamy than the other, but they're all very easy to apply. They are matte, but it's not like a flat matte, so it just still leaves that just perfect amount of moisture on your lips. It's really not drying at all. I didn't find even one shade that is patchy or sheer. They are very pigmented. You only need 1 to 2 layers and it's going to cover your entire lips. I understand now why a lot of girls love this lipstick and love this brand, because they're just really good. They're always coming out with new makeup products that are very, very impressive, and I just wish that these brands open a store here in the Philippines, like Says Lady, Miss Rose, Folklore, Beauty Glazed. I hope that they all open a store, one store here in the Philippines where you can buy these brands. Rate these lipstick 10 out of 10. I think they're amazing for the price. Good quality, good price. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, they have like 50 shades to choose from. I actually got only the wearable and nude shades, especially the My Lips But Better shades, but they have so many different colors to choose from. Just go ahead and check out the other shades. But as you can see, I just got mostly nude shades. But yeah, I'm just here to let you guys know that so that is it for my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys loved my review and lip swatches, please leave this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye!